Good morning, everyone. It's Paul from Prestige Binary Options, and welcome to another Epix Trader update. Today, we're going to be doing another live trading session. However, instead of focusing on auto trading, we're going to be placing manual trades instead. We're going to follow the signals provided by Epix Trader. However, we're going to be placing these trades directly onto our broker ourselves. And when we do this process, we're going to be looking at some charts and apply a few indicators and strategies as an added confirmation when following these signals. So bear with me, guys. This is the first time that I will be manually trading with Epix Trader. So I'm kind of excited to test these out and see how these results will end up. But don't forget, guys, if you are uncomfortable or inexperienced when it comes to manual trading, don't forget that Epix Trader is first and foremost an auto trading program. So it's very simple and easy to use, especially if you're a beginner. You can definitely check out any of these videos which show you how simple and reliable the Epix Trader auto trading really is. And don't forget, guys, with all of my videos, I leave plenty of information below in the video description, so that way you can click the links, learn more about Epix Trader and the features that they provide for Forex and binary traders, as well as links to our previous videos and live updates, so that way you can catch up on any that you might have missed. So let's log in, guys, and see what we have. Okay, so we do have a couple of signals ready for us, the GBP JPY and the Euro JPY. So again, when it comes to manual trading, it is advisable to use a charting solution. I have my MetaTrader 4 set up with a few indicators. For this strategy, we are using Stochastics. They are set at the default settings, which is 5, 3, and 3. That's for Stochastics. And we also do have some default settings for some Bollinger Bands as well. So ultimately, what we want when we're using stochastics, these horizontal lines, these are our support and resistance. And basically, you can see a consistent pattern that when the price rises through the resistance line, there is always a reversal. So ideally, when it crosses the resistance line, you would want to place a put trade. Now, the same goes for the support lines. Every time when the lines cross the support lines, the price reverses and goes back up. So these are ideal positions for a call trade. So using stochastics and other various indicators is like a confirmation when you're following signals from another program, in this case with Epix Trader. So let's go back to Epix Trader and let's check out our first signals that we have. Let's first look at the GBP JPY indicating for a call trade with an 84% probability winning rate. So let's go back to our MetaTrader 4 chart and take a look. All right, so make sure that we have the GBP JPY. One other factor, guys, that I forgot to mention is that I keep all my charts at 5-minute time periods, which means that each candlestick that you see here represents 5 minutes. So according to Epix Trader, we have a call signal. As you can see, the GBP JPY price has already crossed that resistance line, which as always causes a reversal and a downward trend. But because we have a call signal, it's predicting that there will be a reversal in price, because as you can see, it is steadily dropping down and it will soon touch that resistance line. So in anticipation of the reversal trend, you want to try to target 15 to 30 minute expirations. So for the GBP JPY, it is currently 13:34 GMT, so I'm going to place a 30-minute trade if possible. So we're going to have this close at 1400 and enter a call trade. Okay, now let's take a look at the next signal. All right, so we have the Euro JPY, again for another call trade with a 75% probability winning rate. So again, follow the same steps. We go back to our MetaTrader 4 chart. Make sure we're looking at the Euro JPY chart. So again, here we have similar activity where we had a reversal when it hit the resistance line. The price had dropped, but as you can see from the stochastics, you'll notice that it is curving back up. The price is now rising again. And just like Epix Trader is predicting, they are telling us to place a call trade. And I do like that with the stochastics indicator, the price is going up, which confirms the call trade by Epix Trader. So I'm going to take this trade as well. Again, we go back to our broker here, Euro JPY, and we're going to have this trade end at 1400, $50 trade, and place a call. Approve it. So let's take a look and see. All right, we have our 2 entry trades over here, and so far they seem to be nicely in the money with a current estimated payout of $133. So let's give it a moment, guys. These trades won't expire for another 20 to 25 minutes, but as we wait, let me just go over some of the settings again when you're using the chart. I have my chart set here at 5 minutes, meaning that each candle represents a 5-minute time period, and our stochastics, which is the most important indicator that I like, these are set at 5, 3, and 3. So that way, if you want to, if you have a charting solution of your own and you want to practice this strategy, you have these settings here available for you. Don't forget, guys, that this is the first time that I'm manually trading following this strategy. So if you decide to test this out for yourself, practice first. Use a demo account if your broker provides it, or do a paper trade where you just write them down on a piece of paper. It's always good to practice a new strategy before you start risking your own money. So let's wait a few moments, guys. Let's allow those trades to expire, and we'll be back in a few moments to check on those results. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back. It's a little after 1400 GMT, which means those 2 trades that we have placed are now closed and finalized. So let's go back to our broker and let's take a look into the results and the details. So we had 2 winning trades, the Euro JPY and the GBP JPY, giving us a simple and easy profit of $78, and that's under 30 minutes of trading. Now, here are some things that I find interesting regarding our expiration rates. So we entered at 789, closed at 792. With the GBP JPY, we entered at 563, closed at 568. So these 2 trades came in very close. Even though that they were both winning trades, it really doesn't matter if you win by 1 pip or 100 pips. A win is a win no matter what. But what I do not like is the fact that these trades were very close, only by a few pips. So we don't have that widespread margin. So what I'm thinking, guys, is that if we're using the strategy that instead of using 30-minute trades like we had just placed, perhaps it would be better if we use 15-minute expirations instead. But again, this is all just a test. This is the first time that I've used this strategy in connection with Epix Trader, but I'm still pleased with the results. It gave us a nice increase in our profits. We are now sitting at just over $850. So you can't really complain about that, but try out with the 15-minute and 30-minute expirations. See which ones are more profitable for you. But again, guys, as a friendly reminder, that Epix Trader is an auto trader, so it's the easiest function, it's the most popular function. So if you're interested, guys, check out all the information below. Click the link so you can get your own free copy of Epix Trader and start profiting with them today. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, so that way you can get notifications on all of our future updates. If you have any questions, guys, email me anytime at prestigeboundary@gmail.com. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my first manual trading session using Epix Trader. We will definitely be back for more. We'll test out different strategies as well. So this is just the one of many videos to come, so stay tuned. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next time.